Okay, guys, I've been getting a lot of questions on how to type your heading, your name, date, and period on the top right-hand corner of your Google Docs. There's a really easy way to do this. If you put your cursor on the first line, and if you look at these buttons up here, these are your alignment buttons or your justification buttons. The third one over is called your right justification or your right alignment button. Click on that. Your cursor's automatically going to go to the right side of the screen right here. Now you can type anything you want and it will stay on the right-hand side. Now, if you look, I'll type my name. I can also hit enter, and then I can go down and type the date, and then hit enter again, and type the period. Okay? Now, while I ask you to double space your papers, your heading does not need to be double spaced. So if you've double spaced your paper, you can always highlight your heading and go up here and hit single space, and it will single space it.